Do you already check Zara sales? Well, I did it for you and I received a package with 4 dresses from the sale. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I have a really special one, like for real, okay? First of all, I have a Zara sale try-on haul. I bought dresses from the sale. They're super cute and I cannot wait to show you. Plus, please stay until the end of this video because I have a Zara $100 gift card giveaway. Yes, so stay until the end of this video because I'm going to reveal the details of how you can enter to the giveaway. Alright, so let's get started. So I have the box here and let me tell you that I went out of my comfort zone, okay? Because you know me, I always dress in, on neutral colors. However, it's summer, so it's the perfect excuse with dress with color. So if you're looking for color, girl, this is a haul for you, okay? So I'm going to reveal the dresses that I bought from Zara. And you can see a lot of color here. Yeah, the first dress that I have is this beautiful blue with white flowers. Look at this. I love the ruffle details. It's super dramatic here at the shoulders. And it has this heart neckline here at the front. It has some elastic. So the elastic goes all the way at the back around the sleeves. Interesting. All right, it is a midi dress and it doesn't have any lining. Nope, it doesn't have any lining, but I don't think this is going to be a problem because I can feel that this dress is really like high quality. The fabric is super thick, it's super cute, it's perfect for vacation. All right, so let's go to the mirror and see how this fits. So this is the dress on. So cute and so elegant. It looks really sophisticated. The star of the show are the ruffles here at the sleeves. Look at this. Yep. I love the heart neckline here, right? So cute. And as you can see, I'm wearing 2 colors of shoes because I have a little bit of dilemma. So please let me know which one should I wear with this dress. Should I wear the Bottega Veneta like woven heels or the Bottega Veneta like black heels? By the way, I made a video about these shoes, Bottega Veneta shop alike here. You can find it here. I really like this video because I'm comparing, the Bottega Veneta prices versus shop alike shoes. And it's funny because you can find the same look, the same shoes designed for less than $20. So if you're interested, that's the video. Back to the dress. Which ones do you think that looks better? I think it looks better with the white ones, but I really like the black ones. Yeah, please let me know on the comments below. All right, so this one is size extra small. It fits true to size and it is a really elegant and sophisticated, dress. The second dress that I have is another colorful dress. It's a fuchsia color, of course, with puffy sleeves. I love this one. It is a knit. It feels like knit. The fabric is super stretchy. So this one is size small and let's see how this fits. Alright guys, so this is the dress on and of course that I love it. It's so cute. The color is just adorable and it's just perfect for spring and summer. This is a dress that is going to take you through spring, summer, and easily to fall as well because you can pair it with black stockings. Since it's a fuchsia color, don't be afraid. You can pair with black stockings and boots and that will take you to fall. So it's a really, versatile dress. I love the puffy sleeves and it has this big neckline. If you feel really exposed, I'm gonna show you how to wear this dress, with the front at the back in a minute. And I think it's on the short side, right? I'm 5'7" for your reference and this is how it fits me. So yeah, it is It is a mini dress. Expect to be a little bit exposed here at, you know, here the neckline, and you're gonna be showing some leg. It's really, really cute. Very flattering as well. All right, guys, so this is the dress with the front at the back. So that will give you a V, you know, back, and that will give you a little bit more, not a little bit more, that will give you coverage here at the front in case that you are, you know, feeling overexposed over there. And this is another way to wear your dresses. Okay, obviously you need to remove the tag here, but no problem. This is a really versatile dress that you can wear it like this or wear it like the way that's supposed to be. Don't be afraid to play with your clothes, okay? So at the end, you are the one who makes the clothes so cute, okay? So this is how the dress looks. You know what, just for giggles, you know me, I'm just gonna pair it with the black belt just to see how it looks. Another option is to wear the dress with a belt. In this case, I'm wearing this Gucci belt, but you can wear this dress with any belt that you have, and that will accentuate the waist even more, right? This is how it looks with a belt. Of course, I love it. So you have a really versatile dress that you can wear with the front and the back, with a belt, and with stockings if you are transition from summer to fall. All right, I couldn't resist, guys. I needed to show you how I wear the dresses, summer dresses in winter or fall. So just pair it with you know, stockings and boots or high heels, and you're ready to go. Maybe a black coat or a blazer. That's it. So this is a good way to wear your favorite summer dresses in fall or winter. Another colorful dress that I bought from the sale is this gorgeous orange one. So cute. Let me give you a close-up of the fabric. Look at this. Super summery. I love these, you know, ruffles here, detail at the shoulders and the neckline. Look at this. Of course, it has puffy sleeves and ruffle here at the hem of the sleeve. The bottom is, it has like a little bit of, you know, this embroidery. So cute. Let me check the lining situation. Yes, it does have a lining, so that's a good thing. And it is a pullover, but it has a bottom here at the back. It's super cute. I love the color. Oh guys, this dress is adorable. This definitely is a keeper. I love it. Super lightweight, and the color is just perfect. Look at this. So cute. Love the ruffles, and the embroidery is just stunning. I love it. And this is the way that I'm going to be wearing it, with my sneakers and my white crochet bag, and I'm ready to go. It's a really cute summery dress. However, you can pair this dress with boots and black vegan leather jacket, and then you have a transitional dress as well. And here is the dress, you know, with a vegan leather jacket, my black bag, and boots. Yes, so this is a really versatile dress that obviously you can wear it at summer, but you can wear it at fall as well as a transitional piece. Yeah, super cute. I love that it's on the loose side. It's super flowy and super lightweight. Last but not least, I have this dress. Of course, this is not color, it's a black color dress, of course, right? This dress is so cute because it has this stretchy fabric, right? And these balloon sleeves. Can you see this? Yeah. The material is like kind of like, you know, elastic. It feels like a little bit like knit. Yes, it is a knit. It doesn't have any lining because it is a knit. I like this kind of dresses because you can wear them, you know, at summer or spring, all the seasons. It's the perfect, you know, transitional dress. When you are wearing this, for instance, fall or winter, you just pair it with like some leggings or stockings, and you're ready to go.
Guys, of course that I love this dress. It's black color. Okay, that's a start. But this dress is so cute. It's super lightweight and it is like a stretchy knit. Okay, so super stretchy, and it is a knit. I will wear it for, you know, super warm summer days. Yeah, this is not a dress that you can wear at 90 degrees here in San Diego, because you're gonna be, you know, toasty. Yeah, so it is on the warm side. Just take that into consideration. But overall, it's a really cute dress, lightweight. You don't need to be worried about the see-through situation. It just covers you really well. And I'm pairing this dress with my espadrilles, of course, and this raffia bag. But you can totally wear this with boots as a transitional piece, or sneakers if you want to have like a little bit more like a casual vibe with this dress. All right, so this is a keeper. It's really cute dress. Just for giggles, I want to show you this dress with my sneakers. I'm wearing the beige sneakers. So cute, super comfortable, and my white crochet bag from H&M. This is a casual vibe with this dress. Super cute.
Alright, so those were the 4 dresses that I have from the sale. If you cannot find them at the website, for sure you can find them at the Zara store, because I have seen that they have more inventory at the stores than the website. So now, how can you enter to the Zara $100 gift card giveaway? Of course, one of the requirements is that you need to follow me on my YouTube. I make videos about fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. And start commenting below with a heart on all my videos from this video until August 2nd with a heart. For the people that commented on all my videos, I'm going to choose randomly the winner. The winner will be announced on my video of August 4th at 11 a.m. Pacific time. For more details of the giveaway, please check the description box below. Okay, so please continue watching hauls here, and I'll see you there. What are you doing? This is my box. This is my box. It has my dresses. Can you just move? Can you move? Move, move.